We will indeed make sparkling cream. I take 200 g of cream and carefully whip it with a pinch of vanilla, just a little, and 15 g of sugar. Now I thoroughly whip everything. This is indeed the whipped cream. The egg is an essential ingredient in many recipes, so let's take the milk, carefully add half of the sugar, and then gently add the yolks. I begin by taking a moment to carefully dissolve the sugar in a pot, ensuring that every granule is fully integrated into the liquid. As the sugar dissolves, I let the mixture come to a gentle boil, watching closely to prevent any burning or sticking. While the sugar is boiling, I turn my attention to preparing the rest of the mixture. I meticulously measure and sift the flour, ensuring there are no lumps, and then gradually add it to the sugar, stirring continuously to achieve a smooth consistency. Once the flour is well incorporated, I focus on creating a creamy texture by adding a smooth cream, stirring it in slowly and evenly. To enhance the flavor, I add a pinch of vanilla, which infuses the mixture with a delightful aroma. Meanwhile, I keep an eye on the milk, which is heating up on the stove. As soon as the milk reaches a rolling boil, I carefully pour it into the egg mixture, combining everything thoroughly to ensure a uniform blend. This process requires patience and attention to detail, as each step is crucial to achieving the perfect final product. In a few seconds the cream is ready. Because it is a small pastry, here it is boiling, it is stirring strongly so it is recombined. Here the cream is well set. Here, I will let it cool now. When it is cold, I will add the cream. The pastry cream has cooled. I carefully take the rich, velvety cream and gently add it to the mixture. The cream, along with the sparkling, frothy cream, is slowly and delicately stirred until it blends perfectly. The components have been carefully mixed together, ensuring that each part is evenly distributed throughout the entire mixture. This thorough process guarantees a uniform blend, with no single element standing out more than the others. This is definitely the sparkling cream. You will find it on the Sweet blog.